Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in Roblox. So first you have to launch your Roblox app. And in the bottom you can see there's a login option. Tap on that. And you can simply type your email or username or also your phone number if your account is connected with it. And here we can see we are also required with our password, so we do not know the password. You can simply tap on the forgot password on the bottom. And here we can see we are required with our phone number to reset our password. And tap on the continue after you fill your number. So for the further verification, we need to start puzzle. Tap on that and tap on the submit after you're done. And here we can see it says that a code will send it to your phone. You have to type your code, and after you're done with it you have to simply tap on the verify, and after that you have to create a new password for your Roblox. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe or hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.